GlamFam, so today we are going to be doing this wedding inspired makeup. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I'm getting married this year and I have a wedding playlist here on YouTube that has so many videos in the theme of wedding, and I hope you guys will check them out. I will link them here or in the description. And today I am doing this darker wedding look. It is a not so crazy smoky eye with a dark lip. This is one of the contenders for my actual wedding. If you guys would like to see this wedding transformation, keep on watching. All right, we're gonna do a wedding transformation today, which is super exciting. This is the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow primers on the market, and it's pretty awesome. We are just going to blend this out onto our lids, and then I'm just going to lightly set it with some translucent powder. This is Airspun. Then what we're gonna do is work on our eyes. So I am going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and we are going to focus this eye look on these two colors right here. This really nice taupey brown, and then this really, really nice cream color. I'm going to first cut out my brow with this color so that our highlight is super poppin'. Then we're gonna go in and start to blend this taupey color into our crease. What we are doing is we are slowly building more pigment closer and closer to our lid, so it actually looks like we have multiple colors on, but in actuality it's only one shadow. I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and we are just gonna take Musk, this color right here, and put that into our crease as well. We're just gonna blend this on top of that last color just to cancel out some of that pinkness and to further deepen the crease. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Ode. You're gonna take a little bit of that and pop that into our crease. Just a tiny bit. We're gonna blend that out. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in to this shade again from the mini palette, and we're just going to pull some of that down to kind of blend it in with the other colors. Then I'm just going to run some of that same shade on to our lid. I think that is it for this simple eye prime with the Amazing Cosmetics Anti-Aging Face Primer onto our face. So I have the new Juvia's Place foundation. These are their new shade sticks. I'm gonna be using 3 today. 1 to contour, 1 to highlight, and 1 as my regular shade. Alright, so the regular foundation that I'm gonna be using for like my actual skin tone is Luxor. Highlighting color is Lima or Lima, and then my contour color is Madagascar. And so we are just going to put this all over. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Look how easy that blends out, guys. That was amazing. If you guys would like a full-on review of this foundation, let me know. I will do that. Then we're gonna go in and put some dimension back on this face. So we're gonna be using Lima, and we're just going to highlight in the highlight areas. And then we're going to take Madagascar and put this into the contour spots. Alright, and then again, we're going to go in with our Beauty Blender, and I am going to blend the lighter colors out first, and then go into the darker. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Lima and just sharpen out our contour. Just brighten up this a little bit more and also blend that in a little bit more. All right, that foundation looks great. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes because I need a little bit of extra help under there. This is ColourPop's No Filter Concealer. Now we're gonna go in and set this face. I'm gonna be using Airspun again. And I'm just gonna sharpen up my contour just a little bit more by just running some translucent powder under it and letting that sit for a few minutes. On the bridge of my nose, and also superset those smile lines. So smile, I just pack that powder on top of those smile lines. You may look a little crazy for a few minutes, but that's okay. We're gonna also just put a little bit more underneath the eyes. And then on the forehead. We're gonna let that set for about 5 minutes. While we are waiting for this to set, I'm just gonna go in and do my under eye, and we are going to take the musk color and the Ode color and put that underneath our eye. Then we're just gonna brush everything off. We're gonna move on to our liner. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. This is one of my favorites. You guys already know. Just like that. Then I'm going to take the Balm Springs Long Wearing Blush, and we are just going to apply that onto our cheeks. Then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Bahama Mama, and I'm just going to contour out just a little bit more. All right. Then I'm gonna be using the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and we're gonna go in and place this onto the tip of our nose and right on top of our cheekbones, and then a little bit in our tear ducts. Today I am using the Kinsley Black Label Lashes. They look like this. Let me put those on real quick. Lashes on. We are gonna do lips. So for my lips, I am going between if I want a really darker lip for my wedding day because it's me, but I also really like nude lips and I might do that as well. But this is one of my contenders for the dark lip. This is Drop Dead Red by Too Faced, and this is one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. Let me put this little tiny veil on. There we go, guys. That is it for this wedding look. I have my little net veil. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe down below to become part of the Glam Fam. And don't forget to check out my wedding playlist. I have so many wedding themed videos on my channel right now. I will link the playlist here or in the description. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah!